Here's how to merge multiple sheets in Google Sheets using Sheetgo. First, you need to install Sheetgo. Go to Extensions, click Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Sheetgo, click on it, and follow the instructions to install it. Once installed, go back to Extensions, hover over Add-ons, and you will now see Sheetgo available. Click on it to open it, and a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. Once the sidebar is open, click New Automation. Select Export Data from Current Sheet, then click Add Another Source. Select the other file you want to merge with, and make sure to select the specific tab within that file that contains your data. Click Next Step. In the Processor step, click Merge Data and select the number of header rows to skip so your headers don't get duplicated in the merged file. Click Next Step and choose whether to import the merged data into your current sheet or create a new file. If you create a new file, you can set the file name and tab name. Click Review Automation, check that everything looks correct, then click Finish and run. Sheetgo will merge your sheets instantly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point Google Sheets tutorials on step-by-click.